Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. So in this video, I would like to continue chapter 3, applications of definite integral, specifically application of integration in economic and business. Yeah. So by the end of this by the end of this topic, students should be able to find the revenue and cost function from the marginal revenue and marginal cost function. And next, be able to find the market equilibrium point, and lastly, evaluate consumer surplus and producer surplus region. Now, so previously from the previous videos, we have covered area between curves. There are three kinds of situation that we might find. So this is the second part of the chapter, applications in business by using what we already know from the previous. Yeah. So the first part is about cost function and revenue function. So we can integrate cost function, as you can see here, if we integrate marginal cost, okay, C prime, with respect to X, alamak, ni ada Y, okay, tutup. Okay, with respect to X, we can get cost function plus C. Okay, so this is what we call fixed cost. Okay, fixed cost also happen when C 0. So over here is fixed cost. Okay, next, alah, ni pun sama, Y nya terkeluar. Okay, typo, sorry. So for revenue function, marginal revenue with respect to X, we can get revenue function, plus C lah. So by right, this is fixed revenue. This is fixed revenue happens when R 0. When X is 0, when quantity is 0. Even though in real life situation, fixed revenue shouldn't exist lah. Sebab kita tak berniaga, tiba-tiba dapat duit. Nampak no MLM. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started with the first example. Okay, now, given the marginal cost function, this function, and the fixed cost is RM8. Ini tadi baru khabar. Fixed cost. Jadi, C0 equals 8. So, find the cost function. Okay, so kita nak find cost function, kita nak integrate C prime. With respect to X. So, kita, integrate je lah. Integrate je lah. Okay, kita integrate function tersebut. Okay, what is C prime? C prime is minus 20x squared plus 400x plus C pula lah, Allah, plus 5. Plus 5 with respect to X. Okay, so kita integrate je lah macam biasa. So kita akan dapat, tak payahlah, bukannya definite. Minus 20 x kuasa 3 over 3. Okay, and then plus 400 x square over 2. Notice the new power divides. The new power divides. And then plus 5x. 5x. Okay. Don't forget, because this is indefinite, tak ada limit dekat sini. So, mesti ada plus C. Okay, now, kita sudah dapat ini adalah CX. Now, kita kena, dia nak cost function, maksudnya sekali dengan nilai C itu sendiri. Okay, so fixed cost adalah RM8 apabila C0 is X is 0. So C0 8. Okay, jadi bermaksud di sini, okay, bila kita ganti kat sini 0, sini 0, sini 0, C adalah 8. C adalah 8. Therefore, CX is semua itulah 20 over 3x cube plus 200x squared plus 5x plus 8. Okay, so that's for the first example. Let's proceed to the next one. Okay. Now, given the marginal revenue function, R prime 300 minus 0.1x, find the revenue function. Okay, so revenue function is integrate of R prime with respect to X. Okay, and then masukkan je 300 minus 0.1x with respect to X. So we should get 300 x minus 0.1 x squared over 2 plus c. Okay, now, from the question, it doesn't specify fixed revenue. Okay, so we assume R0 is 0. Tak bagi tahu, we can assume. Bagi tahu, pakai. Bagi tahu, pakai. Okay, so Rx is this one. R0 is 0. Therefore, Rx is 300x minus 0.05x squared, because 0.1 divides 2 is 0.05. Dah lah tu lah. Plus C is 0. Plus C is 0. Therefore, C is 0 lah, put here. Therefore, this one. Tak boleh terus jump hilangkan C kat situ. Tak boleh. Mesti kena ada ayat ini. Dan boleh salah lah kalau tak ada. Especially kalau saya yang tanda. Okay. Next, example 3. Example 3. Example 3, marginal cost of a certain product is C prime. That one. Okay, where X is quantity of the product. If the cost to produce 100 unit is 40,000, find the cost function. Okay, now, this one, C prime, kita ambil lah. Put already inside the integration, which is X plus 100 with respect to X. Okay, now, that is the first part dah ambil. Ni ayat pelik ni. Apa benda? This one means cost to produce 100 unit, because X is unit. Unit ataupun quantity. Quantity is apa? 40,000. Dia dah bagi clue kat sini. Ni serupa macam fixed cost. Tapi bukan C0 lah. Bukan C0 lah. Dia C100. Okay. We are going to use this information later. But before that, we have to integrate. Okay, so let's integrate. We have x squared over 2 plus 100x plus C. Don't forget, this one indefinite. Now, ada C tu kena selesaikan masalah. So, we are going to use the information in red. So, C100. Substitute lah. 100 square over 2 plus 100 multiply 100 plus C. Now, kita dah substitute. Tapi baru substitute yang itu. Now, C100 is what? C100 is 40,000. So, 40,000 on left hand side. So, this one 100 is 10,000, right? 10,000 bahagi 2, 5,000. 5,000. Okay, this one 100 pun sama 10,000. 10,000 plus C. So, 15,000. So, C is 40,000 minus 15,000. It is 35,000. Therefore, the cost function. The cost function. Ni baru dapat air hujung jawapannya. X squared over 2 plus 100x plus 35,000. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.